boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. LANY has been here before with us a couple times, and this one is called Congrats. So it's about one chord progression, one style playing through an entire song, and we have some twist there in the chorus, otherwise played in the same way. So that is great. No need for any capo as well, so it's just to start here. We have 5 different chords, what I can see for now. Yeah, 6 perhaps, actually, yeah. Anyway, let's go with the chords. So, C first, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be C, but with B in the bass. So what you do there, you just play the 2nd on A, then open D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That is kind of a transition chord to the next chord, which is the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. F next. So that's a bar on the 1st fret, all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord will be E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so let's start this. Like I said, it's one chord progression, you can say, and we'll play just downs with the strumming. So the chord progression will be C, 4 downs, CB 4, A minor 4, G4, F8, and C8. That is the main chord progression there, and main play there. So I'm gonna play through for you. I'm gonna speak me while I'm playing. So let's go. C4, CB4, A minor 4, G4, F8, and C8. This is a little bit slower, this tempo. So again, C4, CB4, minor 4, G4, F8, and C8. So that was 2 rounds, and I think that's enough. C4, CB4, A minor, G4, everything there, and then F8, C8. But in the chorus, in the end of the chorus, where you should play the G, the chord progression, that G will be replaced with an E minor. So you just play E minor 4 instead of G4. So that will sound C4, CB4, A minor 4, and now E minor 4. And then it continues in the same way, F8 and C8. Remember, just the last round of the chorus. Otherwise, stick with the G, and that will be it for LANY's Congrats. So, hope you enjoyed. Play tuned.